I'm Azuka Prebag. Today I'm going to be showing you a push-up and the different variations that go along with it. We're going to start off with the beginners. So come on down. You're going to place your hands underneath your shoulders. And you're going to keep your weight between your knees and your hands. And this is the easy one to start with. So you're just going to lower down and come back up. So you want to come to about an inch or two off the ground and then just push up. And when this gets easy, you're just going to slide your feet back a little bit, cross your ankles, feet come off the ground. And now my weight is over top of my hands. I'm going to squeeze my bum to protect my low back, and I'm going to lower down and back up. So all the movement's coming from my elbows. And when this gets easy, you go up onto your toes. And my body is in a plank position. My bum is squeezed to protect my low back, and I'm going to lower down and come back up. And again. And one more.